Good morning, everybody. Look at my oranges. They're turning orange now. Hoo 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 hoo. It's so pretty when they're actually orange. Right now it's still yellow. They're so nice and colorful in the tree. And look at my pomegranate. This is so big. Oh my god. Big, big, big. Then I have one more over there. And a few more here. Oh my god, I can't believe. Oh, look at that. One of the birds are enjoying it already. See? Ta-da! But that's okay. You're supposed to share it with nature. It's not so bad. That's what it's meant for. And then when they poop somewhere and it get a chance to grow and hopefully it survives, it would be nice. So far, this avocado is staying alive in this weather. And my apple tree, it's amazing that their leaves also is not falling down. Isn't it already winter or it's still fall? My god. See? There's still leaves. Usually they come off. So far, I'm staying alive. My first beans. So happy. Some of the seeds of the vegetable didn't survive, but that's just how it is. You just sow, and if they grow, they grow. If not, not. That's just how it is. You don't force it. And this is the one I was talking about last night. And the flower is finally closing. It took at least 2 days. I'm sure it's pollinated because there's a lot of bees. That's it.